Well, good afternoon, everybody. It's Dhaval. I'm continuing my tour here of Toronto. I'm over there's Lake Ontario. Right behind me there's the Rogers Centre. And just down the street that away is the Scotiabank Arena. That's where the Toronto Raptors play. And I just wanted to let you know we're going to be going inside right now. Oh, there's the Ripley's Aquarium of Canada. There's a little 360, but we're going inside right there into the CN Tower, so I'll be taking some shots of that. And it's really probably the most, I mean, I don't know too much about Toronto per se, but to me it looks like it's really the most iconic building and tower here that really kind of defines the Canadian, the city skyline here in Toronto, Canada. So really cool. And yeah, you can see all these residential towers and everything over there. But yeah, it's just a really brisk, kind of overcast day here. But again, here's the shot of everything I'm looking at. And we'll be going up to the top there and taking some video and pictures and everything. And yeah, hope you guys like it. I'll be checking in with you guys momentarily. Okay, everybody, just went inside the CN Tower, paid my admission, and we're at the bottom right now. And of course, you know, you can't walk through without them trying to take a souvenir picture of you over there. So to make us walk around, we're gonna take the elevator right now. And of course, down there, when you exit the CN Tower, you can't help but walk through the gift shop. So anyway, all right, we're gonna walk this way. Thank you. Kind of weird they make you walk through this like maze or something like that. So let's see. Come on. Just waiting patiently for the elevator to come here. It's the elevator we're gonna take. What is it, like a 60-second ride or something?
It's almost 60 seconds. It's 58 seconds.
58 seconds. Wow. Okay.
But
So,
when it's very windy, it takes a little more time.
yeah? All right. Well, let's just take a look around here. So, kind of get an idea of the gift shop and stuff. All these overpriced souvenirs, I'm sure. But, just waiting here. And I just heard the bell ring here. I guess we're still waiting. Oh, maybe not. All right, let me check in with you guys when I get inside the elevator. Okay, we're just entering the elevator here right now. Let's see what happens.
Would you be up for something like that?
Sorry, you need to visit?
Okay.
Not even me, but
Okay, good.
How fast are we going to be going?
22 kilometers per hour.
I wish I knew the metrics.
there's no turning back
So
now,
it's
eh?
basically 15 miles an hour.
15 miles an hour. Look at that view
Heaven.
as we're going.
Is that shaking okay?
Yeah.
That shaking is normal?
Isn't that cool?
No.
And you guys can do the repeat as well.
We shouldn't have told us that.
Behind you. Over here.
Look at that view.
Are we almost there?
Almost. You can move down here too.
Look at that view.
Oh, man. Heaven, whose idea was
This
this?
was your idea.
Oh my God, look at
This
that.
was your idea. I agreed to it, so.
Okay, we're at the level of the skyscraper.
This definitely is not a place to be if you don't like heights. So.
Oh, man.
They have a note.
Oh wow, look at that view though. It's fantastic.
I don't see a view. I just feel myself shaking.
Oh.
Ooh.
Lights went out.
It just takes 1 minute.
That's it.
58 seconds later, we're at the top.
That's good.
All right, so let's walk out here. Ooh, it's chilly.
Sit down.
Walk around here. I love how they always do everything here in the metric system. But look at that view. Oh my God. There's Lake Ontario in the distance. And some of the view of the city. Look at that. It's kind of an overcast day here, but you kind of get an idea of what downtown Toronto looks like. And very cool. So, at the top of the tower, but that's their banking center over there, their banking financial district, as you can kind of see. You can see the TD Tower, the Royal Bank of Canada Tower, BMO Tower, Ernst & Young. Let's just walk down this way here. Just gonna kind of walk through. It's too bad it's a little overcast, but it's cool. It's really pretty. Kind of see it here. There's here's a better shot of Lake Ontario. Down there. Just another view of the city. It's just so amazing. It truly is one of the great cities of the world. Just really gorgeous. Look at that. There's another small airport there. And see that whole skyline. So let's go ahead and take a look around here even further. Just really gorgeous. And then they have a cafe here where you could buy like a bunch of overpriced food, paying for the view, of course. It's really cool. But I kind of like the view here, the tower. Let's go down here further. Look at the whole. Yeah, this is really nice. It's some different shots of the city here. Wow. I'm gonna walk back this way here, so it's really amazing. Really pretty. Just walking out, so I'm gonna sign out here. I'm gonna try to see if I can take some shots from another area, and I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Okay, so we walked down one floor lower to check out the glass floor here, and there's the Ripley's Aquarium. I don't know how many feet I am above, but it is quite a fall if you were to, God forbid something were to happen to this glass or something, if you were to fall down. Really trippy. But this is these are some more observation desks of the CN Tower. So we're at a lower level, but you can kind of get a clear view of the skyline. Let's see what we got here. Walk this way. Just walking through. Check out the skyline a little bit here. Kind of check out the skyline again here at Toronto. It's a little bit more. Again, we're at a lower level here, so it's kind of cool. Yeah, so anyway, hope you guys have been enjoying this little tour here of the lower level of the CN Tower. So it's really nice. It's really cool, very iconic. I mean, if you definitely come to Toronto, you got to come here and check it out. A little touristy, but it kind of gives meaning, I think, to the whole city. Get a vibe for the whole city here from here. Really cool. And yeah, so anyway, let's keep going here. A little bit more of this.
Welcome to the overview. One for super lane. Keep your feet on the red markings. Hold the bars. Do not touch the glass, please.
Okay. Whew, look at that overview. Kind of makes you want to barf a little bit, but that's okay. That's really cool, though. Really cool. Really, really beautiful city. So, I'm going to be signing off here from the CN Tower. This is Dhaval here from the CN Tower in Toronto, and I'll check in with you guys later.